SmartLink diagnosed from 1,000 miles away. In the automotive repair industry, there is a magic little box that has solved countless challenging repair problems. This is Launch SmartLink C, a game-changing tool that makes car repairs simpler and more efficient. Anyone who has used the Launch X431 products will already be familiar with it. The compact box is the bridge between intelligence and convenience. Just plug the SmartLink C into your vehicle OBD port, and the seamless diagnostic journey across time and space begins. Its workflow is simple yet highly efficient. Plug the SmartLink C into the OBD port to establish a communication link with the remote expert's SmartLink B. In that moment, the experts will remotely accessing the vehicle OBD system for accurate diagnostics and repairs, as if they're right there on site. Launch SmartLink Service Platform is a global hub of diagnostic expertise, with nearly 10,000 technician experts on standby. The platform connects Launch X431, OEM, and other third-party diagnostic tools for remote diagnostics. This platform offers paid solutions for tough car repair challenges. It covers everything from basic diagnostics to coding and initialization. Additionally, it handles oil reset, anti-theft matching, and even diagnostics for new energy vehicles. We've got you all covered.